What's up, y'all? What's Papa locking? So it's time to take down this hair. If you didn't catch the video of me getting the hair in, we'll make sure to leave that link right here. But it is time to take this down. It's been a month, basically, and I did my part. And also, too, my neck it's too heavy for my neck right now. I can't. So we're gonna take it down. Amber's gonna help me. She volunteered. Yeah.
I'm so happy, guys.
Okay, and so she really excited. That's why she's so calm and about it. But we're gonna get to it. This hair really does blend with my own hair pretty well, and my own hair is not even like frizzy or nothing. So we really can't tell the difference. So we're just gonna be down here, you know, and cut it like that. Yeah, this is still too tall.
But maybe that's as low as it go?
Yeah, when I sat on it, yeah. It's good. You want to see my tripod? A floating pillow. Thanks, Amber. Let's see how it goes.
Let's see what we're gonna watch.
Exactly. So the scalp was really over me too, y'all. So, a different world. We could watch that.
Oh my God.
I'm so excited. So yeah, that's the thing, y'all. I don't know what's but you know, hair ain't that long. What are you gonna do right here? Do this journey, oh, this guy.
What's that black movie?
Divorce in the Butt. and let's talk about that. Please tell me that y'all didn't watch, or if y'all did, are you okay? Because what a waste of time.
Listen, that I was trying to get my 2 hours back.
I want to get my 2 hours immediately. I got tangled, y'all. That's a lot going on here. I'm finding you, I'm finding me, I'm finding you, I'm finding. Okay, so let's start. You take one side, I take the other side.
Yes, I was trying to go to the side of it where you already clipped.
I clipped all of them for the most part. If I missed something, let me know. I don't have a scrunchie, so. made it to the end. Wow. Thanks so much, Amber.
3/4, just so it's on. As y'all can see, who on the last one? No, I think she did 3/4 because of the way my hands be moving.
I do go fast.
I'm like, ooh, she done helped me on my side.
Tickle, but it still was helpful. I just hope your side is okay. That's how she was sitting the whole time, y'all, to the side. I want you to stretch after this.
But no, look at that bag.
You did something, period. I won't show my bag so we can be even. No, this was helpful because, child, who I go through this? I'm holding it, y'all, just because it's loose. So any tugging is just kind of sensitive. She said that little crinkle cute. It sure is.
It is.
I thought if my hair wasn't dirty, look, it'll do something.
Y'all, we done.
Ta-da, ta-da. Wow, I'm free. I got my neck back. That's what I missed.
You missed your neck.
Oh, gosh. Oh, we just need to wash my hair. Do we need to do a braid out? One day. Not right now. One day I'm like, thanks, Amber.
You're welcome.
Wash my hands first now. That was the other thing to make sure supply-wise. Have a bag ready. They already set up. Oh, it's got to stretch. All right. I will see y'all when I get home to do the rest of my hair.
All right.
So my girl just checking in.
The amount of noises